Hi everyone! Welcome to your screenwriting module on writing a story. Let's begin. To help you in mapping out your story, this plot structure might be useful. It's also actually very familiar. We begin with exposition. This is where you describe your story's main character, context, and setting. You can also discuss her goals and motives. This is where you introduce conflict, which is what complicates things for your character and gives her obstacles and difficulties. Everything that happens on this side of the pyramid from exposition upwards is called rising action. These all lead to the climax, that moment in the story when the most important decision needs to be made by your main character. From the climax, you will show the outcomes of the decision. This is called falling action. This leads to the end of your story or its resolution, which is also called the denouement or the unraveling. This structure ensures that your story moves forward from exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. This plot structure also reminds you that the only way to start writing your story is to begin at the beginning. Introduce your main character. Describe her as well as you can using the qualities that you think are important in moving the story forward. The inciting incident is the introduction of your conflict. What conflict is the character faced with? Faced with this conflict, what does the character think about? What are her options in terms of handling this conflict? The character decides to handle the conflict and picks the action that will propel the story forward. Make sure that this decision makes sense. Once you answer these questions, what you actually have is all the material you need for exposition and rising action. And if we've already discussed your answers to worksheets 1 and 2, it's time for you to dive right in and write your screenplay. Good luck!